Today in this video, I will show you step by step how to create a simple but very useful auto on-off security light circuit. The first main component I will use is a 4-volt LED. Next, I will take a 10 kilo ohm resistor and solder one of its pins to the positive side of the LED. Now, let's move to the transistor. This is a BC547 transistor, which is a commonly used NPN transistor in small electronic projects. I will solder its collector pin directly to the negative side of the LED. The base pin of the transistor will then be connected to the remaining pin of the 10 kilo ohm resistor. To make the base more sensitive and control the switching more effectively, I will also solder a 1 kilo ohm resistor to the base pin of the transistor. Now it's time for the last component, which is the heart of this project, the reed switch. A reed switch, also called a reed sensor or a magnetic switch, is a tiny glass tube that contains two metal contacts inside. These contacts come together or separate when a magnet is brought close to them. It's a very simple but powerful component, widely used in security systems like magnetic door alarms. I will solder one pin of the reed switch to the emitter pin of the transistor and the second pin to the 1 kilo ohm resistor that we connected earlier. Once all the components are connected properly, I'll carefully trim off the extra pins with a cutter to make the circuit neat and compact. Now it's time to connect the power supply. For this project, I will use a 3.7 volt battery. I will solder the positive terminal of the battery to the positive side of the LED and the negative terminal of the battery to the emitter pin of the transistor. This provides the required voltage and current to our circuit. And now comes the testing part, the most exciting moment. When I connect the 3.7 volt battery, the LED immediately turns on. This shows that our circuit is active and working. But here's the magic. When I bring a magnet close to the reed switch, the LED instantly turns off. When I move the magnet away, the LED automatically turns back on again. This simple action creates an effective auto on-off security light system that can easily be hidden or installed in different places. This small project has many real-life uses. For example, you can use it as a security indicator light for lockers or cupboards. It can be used in door security systems where the light turns off or on when the door is opened or closed. It can also be used as a secret hidden switch in DIY gadgets, where only you know the position of the magnet to turn the light on or off. Even in toys or decorative lighting, this circuit can create fun effects.